I just wanted to make a video of this place we're camping at right now. This is in North Georgia mountains. Absolutely beautiful back here. I'll pan along this stream right here. Really unbelievably beautiful. Check that out. Come over here. Go over the hammock. And check that out. Nice. Very nice. Right down here we've been right here in this area. Right. Well, right there. Behind that rock right there, we picked a tree. Anyway,
I love
there's the camp. There's the camp over there. A horse camp. They got 4 horses, I think. They're nice, real nice.
What's up, beautiful?
I know you want to make a joke, but depending on what you say with Will, you might have to edit out.
Here's our fire, and it's not going real good yet. But me, Stan, Dan, Stan and Dan the man. We're on the internet.
On the internet. How are we on the internet? We're live.
Not live, no. I haven't got 1,000 subscribers yet.
We are barefoot to connect with the land.
Stan's got a podcast. He says he's going to interview us later. So that should be interesting.
It's a good spot. Should be looking around.
I know. That's what I've been doing.
Check out the
Just
countryside.
crazy.
Go look at those Jeeps. I think
Nuts.
there's a goat in the pasture over there. I think there's a couple trousers trucks right here. Over there. Trousers trucks.
Everybody's feeling pretty good tonight so far. It ain't even dark, but we shall return.